Hi guys, today we'll learn how to comment on our DAX code. You know, before commenting, let's try to understand why it is a very useful. So most of the DAX developer focus on function like calculate and a filter, but very few know how poor commenting on break the collaboration and the clarity. So in this video, I will learn professional DAX commenting standards that can make complex nested formula readable, maintainable, and productions ready. So simply, it is a complex. If your DAX is very complex, so if you're using the comments, so comments can help other user to interpret your code and can be partially helpful for the complex query with the multiple line nested function extra. So if you have the single line code, you can use the hyphen and put your one line comments over there. And if you have the multiple comments, so what you will do, you should use the forward slash and the asterisk, put your multi-line codes. When you close it, simply the asterisk and the forward slash. So that is the basically funda to use the comment. So this is the example. In this example, I'm using the single line codes. I'm using simply hyphen and give our comments. So anyone can understand what I'm doing here. Basically, this is the simple single line comments. So selected value, basically I'm taking this one line value from this matrix, from this line, right? And if I have the multi-line comments, so simply I'm using the forward slash asterisk and give the comments. When in closing it, I'm using the forward asterisk and the forward slash. So this is the basically our commenting. So one pro tips, just avoid to use your comments in the end of your DAX query. If you, I'm just putting this end of this query, there is no need to comments over there. So if you're just commenting in front of the codes, it is very readable, right? We'll do one thing, just jump on the Power BI and do this code together. Earlier we have already created a few measures, like I've created the cost. In the cost, let's put some comment over there, single line comments. So this one I'm just returning the sales by the store table. So I'm simply putting hyphen and I'm giving my code just comments over there, like it is returns the sales by store table too, right? And this is what we're doing. This is like uh, evaluate expressions quantity sold times cost from a related table, right? That is basically I'm doing here. So I'm just reading the simple line codes. It is very understandable. If this is a very complex one, I'm just reading some codes over there, like some comments, so it is very understandable. So this is basically today topic to comments on the DAX code. Slowly we're just moving forward a very complex code and make you understand very simple and easy way. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.